In today's fast-paced work environment, effective teamwork is essential for success. Let's explore some tips for building a strong and collaborative team in the workplace. First and foremost, it's important to support your team members. We all have challenging days, and lending a helping hand can make a world of difference. If you see a colleague struggling with their workload, take a moment to offer your assistance. This simple act of kindness can create a positive work environment and build trust among team members, fostering a spirit of unity. Second, promote collaboration. Encourage team members to work together and share their skills and expertise. When different minds come together, it sparks creativity and innovation. By fostering a culture of collaboration, you can harness the collective power of your team, leading to more efficient problem solving and ultimately better outcomes. Third, establish clear goals and roles. Make sure everyone on the team knows what their specific responsibilities are and what the team is trying to achieve. Clear communication about objectives helps align efforts and prevent misunderstandings. When team members understand their roles and contributions to the bigger picture, they feel empowered and motivated to give their best effort. Fourth, encourage open communication. Create an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their ideas, concerns, and feedback. Active listening and open dialogue foster trust and respect within the team. Encouraging constructive feedback allows for continuous improvement, and diverse perspectives lead to well-rounded solutions. Finally, celebrate successes and learn from failures. Acknowledging and celebrating the hard work and achievements of the team boosts morale and reinforces positive behavior. However, failure can also be a powerful teacher. When a project doesn't go as planned, use it as an opportunity for a candid post-mortem discussion. Learning from mistakes and identifying areas for improvement helps the team grow stronger and more resilient. Remember, effective teamwork is not just about achieving the end result, but also about building strong relationships and a positive work culture. By following these tips, you can help create a collaborative and productive team in your workplace, where everyone feels valued, supported, and motivated to excel. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips will help you build a successful and happy team. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and advice on Skillshare TV.